In this training, I'll introduce you to the fascinating and creative world of zines. The objectives of this training are to learn and explore the history of zines, discover key milestones, influential moments, and the cultural context that shaped zine making through the years. Zines in the curriculum. Understand how zines can be a powerful tool for incorporating issue-based work into your lessons, encouraging students to engage with important topics creatively. Hands-on techniques. Learn simple, effective methods to create your own zines, perfect for immediate use in your teaching. Creative exploration. Experiment with diverse approaches to zine making as we create 3 unique zines during the session. Who knows, this could be the beginning of your very own zine collection. You will get access to 4 downloads to complete this training. 3 of these are pages you need to make zines. The 4th is a handout of zine vocabulary to use in your classroom with your students. All you'll need to provide is scissors, craft knife and a stapler. If you purchase the video individually, you get lifetime access. If you access it via a subscription, you can watch it as many times as you like whilst your subscription is active. Either way, you can take your time completing it. This video is 33 minutes long, but you need to allow another 30 minutes to make the zines. When you reach the end of the video, you will be able to download a certificate that will have your name, the name of the course, and the duration on it. The duration will be 1 hour 15 minutes, which allows for the watching and making. If you're looking to broaden your knowledge about zines, incorporate issue-based work into your curriculum, and be armed with a range of ways to make zines, this is the training for you. Make a start today.